A story. Dan's hat. Dan's hat stands. Dan taps his hat. Tap, tap, tap. This hat has a pin in it. This hat has a tin in it. Dan's hat has ants in it. And Dan's hat has pants in it. A pin, a tin, ants and pants. This hat has sand in it. Dan's hat has sand and this hat has a hand in it. Dan hid his hat. That hat had Anne in it.